Looking for the best window air conditioners? Number 5. LGLW1517 IVSM. Ultra-quiet operation for a peaceful environment, especially in sleep mode. Number 4. Midea MAW10V1QWT. Energy efficient with over 35% energy savings compared to traditional units. Number 3. Friedrich CCF06A10A. Dust filter improves indoor air quality and is easy to clean. Number 2. GE Profile Clearview AHTT06BC. Adjustable flex depth design accommodates a wide range of window sills. Number 1. GE Profile PHCO8LY. Ultra-quiet operation ensures minimal noise disruption.